Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a BMW 3 Series. First, confirm the specific bulb type required for your model, as this can vary. Next, collect all the tools you'll need, such as a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver, and always wear gloves to protect your hands and the new bulb. Most importantly, make sure your car's engine is turned off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to locate the access panel, which is typically found directly behind the headlight assembly in the engine bay. Depending on your specific BMW 3 Series, you might need to remove a few clips or screws to open this panel. Once the panel is open, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. This usually involves a simple squeeze and pull. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. There's usually a spring clip or a twist mechanism holding it in place. Carefully unclip or twist it and pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, handle it only by its base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is seated correctly, reattach the electrical connector until it clicks securely. After installing the new bulb, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your car and switch on the headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach any covers or panels you removed, making sure they are securely fastened to protect the headlight assembly from dirt and moisture. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a pet-friendly clean, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.